Hello, my friends. I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today, we are going to be learning how to make an irresistible burger sale flyer. So, for that, first we are going to be downloading a burger image. Okay, so make sure it's a high resolution image. Okay, go for free pick, don't go for licensable images. Okay, because it's just something that we are using. Yeah, this is a good image, and it's as usual, it's free pick, so it's for free. You take it, you download it, and it is by SV Studio Art on free pick. Okay, so that's where our burger is. Wow, this is a nice image. Okay, let's download it, and we are done. Open it, and here is what we have got. So we take it, open it in Photoshop, and duplicate the layer, switch off the behind layer, and use the magic wand tool to select the white area and just delete it. Okay, so now once we are done with this, uh, we will now see our splashes. Okay, so we delete this behind area and then we save it. So save it as a PNG, and we are done. Okay, so we take this image and put it in CorelDraw. Now, now resize it to what you need, and we have got this log of wood or more of a table kind of an image. Rotate it to minus 90 degrees and get it here. Okay, place our burger on top, and that's about. Increase the size. Okay, and center align both of them to each other and even the page. Ungroup both of them and take the burger slightly on top so it's in the middle of the table. We don't want it falling out. And then create a rectangle page border and give it an interactive fill of a gradient and a radial fill. Take it to this corner and increase the size. And now we are going to work with the colors. So we come here, and what we do, we take a pick tool and take orange. Once we are done with that, adjust it accordingly, and somewhere in between, just take your pick tool all over again and take red. So you have that orangish reddish glow. Okay, and this is a background. We take this and power clip it. Fine. Now we are done with this. See, it already is looking good. Let's make it better. Okay, so we come here, we get into our Corel photo paint, and now what we are going to do, these splashes now, they are too so we need to add transparency to them. They are too opaque. Okay, let the splash also look through the background. So you change the feathering, uh, change your flatten the nib further if need be, and make this to 90 so that it kind of, you can even see the reddish tone, you can even see the splash. So just with 90% transparency, just run over this. Make sure you're not going on the burger. You don't want the burger to get transparent. only our splashes. Okay. Now once we are done, we take it here. Now you can see the reddish orangish tone from here. From here you can see the blackish tone, and here you can even see the line of the table. Okay, so that's good enough, and it's looking great. Okay, so the juiciness is coming. Now these are certain fonts I've selected. That is Alio Extra Bold, yeah, Special Yesteryear, for Burger Alpha Echo, and for this Bungee Super, and Limited is Rock Salt. Now these fonts uh, are working very, there are a lot of fonts, but they are working very well with each other. Okay, so let's make our flyer this way. Now you take Burger, take Super here, and place it right on top of Burger, make it white, and we zoom in into this area. Make sure both are left aligned. Once Super and Burger come right at the corner of each other, and we use the envelope tool, and we come here and extend this. Come here and extend this. So let our word burger also look like a burger. Okay. So that's what we are trying to achieve here. Okay. Take super and let it come all the way till U. Okay. So that we get a grid and alignment. Now we take a special and we put it here. Let that be yellow. So we have a yellowish, orangish tone to our name. Now you adjust this, keep it at 20 degrees, and then we are done. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, so our name of our burger is there. Now we just put our contact here. Let again this be white. Okay, where our store is located. And for the limited time now, what we are going to do is that we are going to create a page there in this corner. Okay, so for that, we'll reduce this slightly so that we have space for the page there. Okay, now let's work around this. Okay, again for that, we go online, and instead of burger, we come here and we select page tier, SVG. Now this is very important, okay, because we need SVG files. Okay, this looks good. Let's visit it. And again, these are free. Okay, see the ones with the crown, they are the paid ones. So you won't be able to download them. Again, this is made by Starline on FreePick. Okay, so we need to credit them too. We come here, we extract this, and when we open it, oh my god, this come as a bitmap. Okay, it's very surprising. It's an EPS file. It's come as a bitmap. Never mind, we'll delete it. And EPS is best opened in Adobe Illustrator. So we again come here, we extract it, let it be in this folder itself. Okay, and here it is. So we extract, open with Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so sometimes you might have to use a combination of designing tools, and that's how it is. Okay, so this is our the transparency, fake transparency effect is gone, and now we release the power clip. So right click and say release clipping mask. Come here and delete it. Okay, so the rectangle is also gone. This group is also not needed. It's a shadow created by a huge array of things. We don't need that. We need only this. So reduce the size, put it in the center and save the file as EPS again. Now this is the funny part. Okay, we couldn't open that EPS, but this EPS will surely open. And why? I'll tell you. Go down and save it at Illustrator 10 EPS. So this is kind of our shortfall. You see this? When I come here and there it is. You see that? You can ungroup both of them. These are objects. This is not a flat image like how it was before. We come here, rotate it, and now we place it here. Play with the size. We move this quickly. Yeah. Let the R be the place where it's tearing. Yeah. So let that curve of the R and the tear be the same. Now select these top nodes and just extend it because you don't want that at the edge of the page. Okay, you want it properly. So select a vignette, press shift, select this and say uh, intersect. Okay, and delete this. So this is what you will get. Okay, now what we are going to do is create a black color, that white thing that we have, make it black. Select the nodes again that are on top. It's okay if you have selected extra nodes, less nodes, it's okay. It's going to get trimmed any which ways. It's the outside. So it's fine. You should have a judgment of to what level you can do what. Okay, so this is a page tear. Let's give a page tear. Now we copy paste that white one and increase the size. So what we are doing and make it black and shift page down. Okay, control page down, sorry. Many times till it's behind over here. Here. Okay. So this is how it is. Okay. Once we are done, take the limited time offer and put it here, shift page up. So this is also creating emphasis on our limited time. And so this is a kind of a call out thing, reduce the size because our limited time is not so big, and that allows us to increase the size of the um, name of the thing. Make this right align and reduce the line space. Okay. And now we add our text. So for that, take super, copy paste, put it here, come here and 30% enter off. Okay. That's what we do here. Got it? And rotate it slightly. Make off orange. Now copy paste it and the behind one is there. Turn it a little. Make this black. So you get a shadow. Now why are we putting this shadow? The simple reason is because orange, the off of the orange is getting lost. We don't want to add too many colors to this because it will look bad. So now we put our address. Okay. Center align it to the page. Position it. Center align the text also. And now just add your contact number. That this is the address. This is the contact number. That's all that is needed for the burger shop. You don't need anything else. Now we are going to add effects to enhance the image quality and things like that. Okay. Again, we use radial. And this normal, instead of normal, we go on to screen. Now what you get in screen is that that color will shoot out. So this we had kept orange. Let's do one thing. Increase the intensity. Yeah, and make it red. Okay. Instead of orange, we work with red. To get that reddish glow. Okay. We size it. We keep it here. Now we don't want a reddish glow here. We want a greenish glow. It's leaves. Okay. And therefore, now work in wireframe. As you can, you will be able to see the areas and you know where the greens are, where the reds are. So you work accordingly. See, now you get the shine. Okay. At different places, you're getting that shine. Now, once that is done, you take this and now for the bread, we use brown. So you get a brownish shine near the bread also. Now what we are going to do, let's now work with enhancing the name also. You see that? Okay, but brown is not working. Let's try other colors. We shift page up, so it's come up. Okay, so the screen has gone down, so it will work with the background, not with the name. Okay, let's try different colors. No, this is looking weird. Try another one. Wow, yeah, this looks good. So there is a little bit orangish tone also to the whole thing, and that's looking great. Okay, I copy paste the burger name, shift page down, and then align it, turn it slightly down and out in this way so that you can see it. You see this? So you're getting a shadow on the burger also. And we are done. So my friends, if you like this and you think that it's really good, please like, subscribe and do not forget to share. Thank you.